Very good morning, dear students. Today we are going to continue the same biography that we have already started dealing with. That is, Evelyn Glennie listens to the music without hearing it. Yes, Evelyn Glennie listens to music without hearing it. And first two paragraphs are already done in our previous class. Today, the third para that we are going to deal is about the realization, Evelyn Glennie's realization of feeling the music, sound and vibrations with her body parts. So here this third para is about her realization of feeling the music, sounds and vibrations with the help of her body parts. Yes, and here in the third para you will find the motivational words or a big support from Ron Forbes, a percussionist. Ron Forbes, okay, and the words, the way he directed her, guided her is really very important, which helped her to realize or to feel the music or feel music with her body parts. So here the third para is about her realization. Okay, look at I repeat, this third para is about her realization of feeling music with the help of her body parts. Okay, so let's see what is given there. Third, but Evelyn was not going to give up, as we have seen in the second para. As we have seen, it is about her discovery of her deafness, and as we have seen there, when she came to know, or when doctor declared that she had become deaf due to the gradual nerve damage, and he advised them to use the hearing aids and would go to the school for deaf. So when she heard this, what can I say, the surrounding, everything around her became blank. Yes, became black before her eyes. But look at there, what it is said in the third para. As I said you, it is about realization and the efforts she did. Look at there. But Evelyn was not going to give up. She was not going to give up. She was not going to give up easily. वो ऐसे ही आसानी से गिव अप करने देने वाले नहीं थी. गिव अप मीन्स सरेंडर, छोड़ देना, त्याग देना. इतने आसानी से वो अपना जो मोटिव था, यस, टू बिकेम अ परक्यूशनिस्ट, she was not going to give up it easily. इतनी आसानी से वो गिव अप करने वाली नहीं थी. she was determined. Determined means with a firm decision. वो decided what, to lead a normal life. Though she was deaf now, but she did not give up and decided to lead a normal life like common people. जो बाकी नॉर्मल पीपल जैसे ज़िंदगी गुजारते हैं. सी डिसाइडेड टू लीड अ नॉर्मल लाइफ एंड परस्यू हर इंटरेस्ट इन म्यूजिक. एज वी नो दैट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, सी डिड नॉट गिव अप. व्हाई मीन्स as she decided, or as she had interest in music, so she decided to become a percussionist, and that's why she did not give up, though she became deaf. But she did not give up easily. She decided to lead a normal life and pursue her interest. Pursue means continue, जो प्राप्त करना चाहती थी. Yes, follow her interest. follow her interest in music. और म्यूजिक में जो इंटरेस्ट था वो फॉलो करने का डिसाइड करती है. She was determined to follow her interest. वन डे, अब देखो एक दिन क्या हुआ. वन डे she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Xylophone, a musical instrument. Look at the picture of xylophone is given there in your book, in your textbook. The picture of xylophone is given there. Xylophone, it is a musical instrument. Xylophone, okay. Xylophone, a musical instrument. Give up, surrender, okay. Determined, she was decided, determined, okay, firmly decided. So here, as I told you, one day what happened, she saw a girl, or she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. एक गर्ल को नोटिस करती है जो एक xylophone प्ले कर रही थी, and decided that she wanted to play it too. And decided, there she decided, as a girl was playing their xylophone, she decided to play it. वो भी डिसाइड करते कि मैं भी ये xylophone प्ले करूँगी, बजाऊँगी. She decided, but what happened there? As she decided and asked, she must have asked her teachers, music teachers, to teach her to play xylophone. But what happened there? Most of the teachers, बहुत से जो उनके टीचर्स थे, म्यूजिक टीचर्स थे, most of the teachers discouraged her. Most of the teachers ने उसको discourage किया. No, you can't, you are deaf, using such words. इस प्रकार के शब्द यूज करके उसको discourage करने की कोशिश किए most of the teachers. But at the same time, there was another personality, Ron Forbes. Look at the very important character here, okay, in her life. Ron Forbes, a percussionist, okay, a percussionist. Ron Forbes, very important character in her life. So here, as most of the teachers discouraged her, but the percussionist Ron Forbes, look at there how he guided her. वो देखो उसने उनको कैसे गाइड किया इवलिन ग्लेनी को, और देखो उन्होंने क्या किया, spotted her potential. So here Ron Forbes noticed. Spotted means noticed. He noticed her potential. अब इसमें जो पोटेंशियल थी, पोटेंशियल, कैपेबिलिटी, एबिलिटी, इसके अंदर में जो एबिलिटी थी, कुव्वत थी, एबिलिटी, कैपेबिलिटी थी, हियर ही नोटिस्ड, ही कौन, Ron Forbes noticed, spotted her potential, and then he began to teach her to play music or to play musical instruments. He started tuning two large drums. Yes, tuning means mix करके दो बड़े drums and two different notes. Okay, two large drums, two different notes. अलग अलग नोट्स में, जैसे म्यूजिक में अलग अलग नोट्स होती है, हाई, लो, मिडल, जो एवरेज वगैरह में चलते रहती है. यस, इस प्रकार के अलग अलग जो नोट्स होती है. द percussionist Ron Forbes began to play or began tuning two large drums to different notes. Why? Just to teach Evelyn to play xylophone or other musical instrument. And then look at the words Ron Forbes told Evelyn Glennie. Very important words are these. बहुत important word है ये जो इन्होंने कहा. देखो क्या कहा उन्होंने. Don't listen through your ears. Look at there. Here Ron Forbes told her, don't listen through ears. Listen through ears, your ears. Try to sense it. Try to sense it some other way. Try to sense it some other way. Some other way. Okay, these are the words said by Ron Forbes. Okay, so look at there. The words of Ron Forbes really changed her life, changed her way of listening music, changed the way of her listening music. उसका जो म्यूजिक सुनने का जो वे था उसे चेंज ही कर दिया. किसने? रॉन फॉर्ब्स. Here Ron Forbes advised Evelyn Glennie not to listen through her ears. Adding that, he said, or he added more, saying that try to or advise her to listen or sense the music some other way. Means here Ron Forbes advised her not to listen music through her ears, but some other way. So this way here Ron Forbes, the percussionist, helped a lot to Evelyn. Yes, and then look at there, Evelyn क्या कहती है इस बारे में जो रॉन फॉर्ब्स ने कहा था. Evelyn says, suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from west up and the lower one from the west down. And suddenly अचानक से with the as she followed the advice given by Ron Forbes, there she suddenly realized that she could feel the music. The higher drums with west up and lower drums with the west down और फ्रॉम द वेस्ट डाउन, मतलब वेस्ट के अप पार्ट से हायर ड्रम वो सेंस कर पा रही थी और लोअर जो बीट्स होती थी उनको वेस्ट लोअर पार्ट से वो फील कर पा रही थी. सो हियर शी रियलाइज she could feel higher drum from the west up and lower one from the west down. And then look at that, what happened. Forbes repeated the exercise as he started feeling it. So Ron Forbes helping her repeated the tune, the mixing of different notes. And then soon Evelyn discovered that. Very soon, बहुत जल्दी उसने डिस्कवर कर लिया कि that she could sense certain notes. उसने रियलाइज किया कि सर्टेन जो नोट्स हैं वो फील कर सकती है, सेंस कर सकती है विद, और लुक एट इट इज गिवन, could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. अलग अलग बॉडी के पार्ट से वो अलग अलग नोट्स सेंस कर पा रही थी. She realized it. And then I had learned, look at there, she said, I had learned to open my mind and body to sounds and vibrations. And then thereafter, we can say that thereafter she learned to open her mind and body. She learned. फिर वो सीख गई कि how to open her mind and different body parts to different sounds and different vibrations. So this way she started, or what we can say, she realized. As I told you, this third para is about her realization of feeling music, certain notes, different notes in her different body parts. So here she realized, and thereafter look at the rest part of her life journey, or rest part of her journey to be a percussionist. was of sheer determination, was of sheer determination. Sheer means clear, completely, totally. It was completely the part of determination. Determination जो उसके अंदर में firm decision making जो power थी, firm determination जो था, it was the part of it. The rest part, here she just learned, here she just realized, she could sense the different notes, but thereafter it was a journey of sheer determination and hard work. लेकिन इसके बाद की जो उसकी जर्नी थी, it was completely of sheer determination and hard work. अब यहाँ से उसका रियल हार्ड वर्क शुरू हुआ और उसका डिटर्मिनेशन जो था नॉट टू गिव अप, टू फॉलो हर इंटरेस्ट इन म्यूजिक. एंड वन डे, अब हम जानते हैं कि वन डे वो क्या बन गई, द वर्ल्ड फेमस, द वर्ल्ड सॉर्ट आफ्टर परक्यूशनिस्ट. यस, पूरी दुनिया की सबसे ज़्यादा चहेती एक परक्यूशनिस्ट बन चुकी है. सो दिस इज द थर्ड पैरा अबाउट हर रियलाइजेशन. ओके, then the next part we will do in our next video lecture. Bye bye, see you soon. Keep watching my videos and subscribe the channel. Okay, bye bye.